let's lay it down so that it comes underneath your left arm and pull more towards you to get it flat. Yes. And then push it, get it up, And now we're going to lay it down so that it comes on top of your left arm. Okay, so as it's here, you're gonna let it fall to the outside. Fall, 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 and then you push front to back. So it's vertical, you let it fall, 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 and then you're pushing front to back. You're vertical like this, and so let it tilt. Let it tilt. Without doing a figure eight, keep it on the inside. So you're gonna let it tilt like this, like an X. Okay, how I let it tilt is this. As it's, well, no, okay, it's here like this. What I do is at the bottom of the turn, I pull at an angle diagonally to get it to come into the X versus the vertical. So instead of pulling straight toward me, I pull more toward my opposite shoulder. And then once you get it to the X, then keep letting it fall. And then as you do, you're gonna start working on that horizontal turn. If you wanna put this together, where you can go down on one side, go back to vertical, and down on the other side, you wanna drill each hand going under to vertical, to over, to vertical, to under, and then put it together. It's really hard to put together if you don't have control of each of the hands individually.